Today, we will explain effective strategies to answer listening Part B easily. There is always a fixed introduction at start of Part B as follow.
In this part of the test, you'll hear 6 different extracts. In each extract, you'll hear people talking in a different healthcare setting. For questions 25 to 30, choose the answer A, B, or C, which fits best according to what you hear. You'll have time to read each question before you listen. Complete your answers as you listen. Now look at question 25. You hear an optometrist talking to a patient who's trying contact lenses for the first time. Now read the question.
The most important advice for OET success is to have a specific, clear step-by-step technique for each test subtype. The first step starts during the preparation before the start of the audio tape, which means to start with reading the context firstly, then the question prompt, and finally the answer options, to highlight the right keywords.
Now, you've had the lenses in for a few minutes. How are they feeling?
Not bad. I thought I'd feel them actually touching my eyes, that they'd be sore or prickly, but I can't feel much at all. My eyes do feel a bit watery though.
It's okay. You've just used too much solution. Now, in a few minutes, I'll get you to try taking them out and inserting them again by yourself.
Had no trouble taking them out earlier, but I'm not confident about putting them in. I worry I'll press too hard.
That's unlikely to happen.
Things look rather distorted though. I mean, I can't make out the letters on that chart.
Any of them?
Those lower down.
Let's give things another minute to settle down.
Now, you heard all the 3 options in the audio tape. Which one will you choose then? There is one option which is contradictory to what is in the audio, and another option doesn't fit completely with what is in the audio, and finally there is right option which fits well with the audio but it is paraphrased. So, your success in listening Part B depends on, firstly, the good selection of the right keywords in the preparation time. Secondly, the prediction of the keywords during listening. Then to exclude the clearly wrong answer option while listening. And finally, anticipate paraphrasing of the keywords in the right answer option. For more tricks and effective strategies for OET, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then activate the notification bell, and follow our links in the description of this video. Goodbye. See you soon.